This Minolta 4K digital camcorder delivers very detailed, ultra-high-definition footage at 24 frames per second, with the option for smoother, full high-definition recording when you need more fluid motion. Still photos look impressively sharp thanks to the 30-megapixel sensor, which gives plenty of room for cropping and editing without the image falling apart. Its infrared night vision system is a standout, allowing you to record clear video and photos in complete darkness at distances that are genuinely useful for outdoor or low-light shooting. The responsive 3-inch touch-sensitive screen makes it easy to frame shots, review clips, and change settings quickly, even for someone who is not used to dedicated video cameras. A 16 times digital zoom and electronic stabilization work together reasonably well for casual handheld shooting, so you can get closer to the action without every movement ruining the shot. Useful automatic scene modes and generous storage expansion, combined with the included battery, cables, memory card, and carrying pouch, make this a very practical all-in-one starter kit for video recording.